Hey man, I'm Achmed. Yeah, cool. I'm from the 80s. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Little Jeff. Today, the lost tapes of Achmed during Halloween. Without further ado, here's Achmed. Bonjour, ladies and gentlemen. Comment allez-vous? I'm Achmed, the French activist. Hey everybody, you like my mullet? I am from the 80s. Hey, guess who I am? I'm Hillary for Halloween this Halloween. Good afternoon, gentlemen. I am Officer Achmed. I'm Achmed Trump, President Trump. I'm glad to be here. You like my wig? So please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there where my wig did not fall off, almost. Please subscribe.